hindi naman lahat ng story ay love story. So, yun. Pero kung ako papipiliin, gusto ko syempre palagi kayo magkasama.
Ako hindi umpisa pa lang alam ko na click.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream.
Talagang maging balanse at siguro close to perfect ang isang bagay. Hindi pwedeng isang tao lang. Kailangan mo ng isang tao to make you whole. Para maging everything, it has to have 1 plus 1. And I would like to think na ako yung isa ito sa isa.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky.
Instead of worrying about yung sarili lang namin, ngayon I worry about her.
Want you in my life. Your arms are my castle. Your heart is my sky. They wipe
Who was your first love?
away tears that I
Yung totoong pag-ibig.
Totoo?
Siya.
Ding-dong?
Oh, the good and the bad times we've been through them
Kung
all.
ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, or at least namin, at least I can speak for myself ko, is much greater than how I felt the first time we met.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every time we
Enjoy ko. Ay, ito pala yung totoong ligaya. Siya yung para sa akin. So, doon pa lang na-realize ko na akin ka na. Joy kita eh.
So I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
Do you dream about the future together?
Yes.
I swear I could fly.
Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa ibang lalaki, kundi sa kanya lang.
I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every
Ako,
time
yes.
we
I dream about it in
touch, I
detail.
feel ecstatic. Every time we kiss, I reach for the
Usually,
sky.
yung gut feel ko
Can't you feel my heart
almost
beat
always
so?
tama. And I was very right about this one.
Want you in my life.